What's going on, guys? Terrence McFadden here, or Meet, Sleep, Repeat, as you might know me from Instagram, and I'm here to do a little product review. We have here Killian's original. This is the Sweet and Smokey rub. Come on, focus. It's not really wanting to focus. But yeah, this is the Sweet and Smoky rub. And so, full disclosure, this product was not sent to me for free. I paid for it with my own money. I didn't get any sampler product or anything like that. In fact, Gary isn't even aware that I'm doing this video, and I plan on doing one for each of the different seasonings: the garlic and onion, the badass beef dust. I've got the savory garlic butter here as well. Yeah, see, it focused on that. All right, so Sweet and Smoky. This here is the very first seasoning from Killian's Originals that I've tried back in July of 2024 when I first got into cooking. I knew he had recently also started his own business of making seasonings, probably a few years prior. And so I inboxed him. I said, hey, I'm making a brisket. What do you recommend? And he gave me a few recommendations, but he said the Sweet and Smoky rub would be my best bet. So I ordered a container of the Sweet and Smoky, and I gotta say, to say that I fell in love with it would be an understatement, because I fell in love with cooking. Like it became a massive passion of mine, which some of you have seen. If you're following me, you've seen the pictures or the videos of me on my smoker. Killian's Original, the Sweet and Smoky, is typically what I'm using because this goes great on basically everything. Like I said, the very first thing I put it on was a brisket. It goes good on burgers. I've put it on different cuts of steak, New York, T-bone. I've not put it on filet mignon yet. I've had this on pork chops. I'm 35 years old. It's currently 4/19. This July I'll be 36. I never really cared for pork chops. 22 years after the last time I even bothered trying to eat a pork chop, I made a pork chop on the smoker using the Sweet and Smoky, and I eat pork chops now. I'm back to eating pork chops. Now, I won't sit and just, go through a bunch of them or anything like that. But if, the wife or whatever, or in-laws are like, hey, like some pork chops, I'll throw some on. I'll eat a couple. Which, like I said, it's been 22 years since I've ate pork chops. But that's just a testament to the Killian's Original Sweet and Smoky rub. They do also have a Sweet and Smoky rub with a bit of a kick to it, more of a spicy. I gotta try that one out. I haven't figured out what I would exactly put that on yet. Oh, this also goes great on hamburgers too. One of the things I found is if you put your Sweet and Smoky rub on your hamburgers and you happen to take them into work and microwave them to warm them back up, pretty much everyone will start asking you, hey, what is that? It smells so good, because you have now filled an entire room with the great Sweet and Smoky smell. So definitely top tier seasoning. I give it a 10 out of 10, and like I said, it goes on pretty much anything. In fact, the very first time I got the Sweet and Smoky rub, I simply just cracked it open and poured a little bit in the palm of my hand and just raw dogged it. And it was good even like that too. I'm not saying sit around and eat this, like it's a bag of M&Ms, but you know, you do you. If that's what you feel the need to do. And then what's great about it is it's more of a brown sugar based seasoning as of opposed to a salt based seasoning. So you can go absolutely nuts when you're seasoning with it, which is pretty much what I did. Thanksgiving, I made 11 racks of beef ribs for three separate households, really. And the Sweet and Smokey was on all of those ribs, and they were a hit. Whereas people were packing most of their food in the styrofoam to go containers, they were grabbing ribs and loading them up in Ziploc bags. So, again, that's just a testament to how good this seasoning is. So, if you're ever looking for a new season to get and you don't know what to put it on, like I said, Killian's Original Sweet and Smoky Rub. Get it. Put it on basically anything.